August 1st, card opening. One card in the mail. I picked this up. Again, if I find something cheap, and they seem to be somewhat cheaper in HG, I kind of pick them up. But it is a Aaron Judge Heritage rookie, a 9. But like I said, that's why I picked it up. Other than that, I pre-rolled for cards. We got 98 Topps, Heritage 2020, and a Topps Finest. Remember, we do have the rest of our Donruss packs today too, as well as our normal packs. So we are gonna try to get through this. We'll do the Donruss in between. Let's start with 98 Topps. I had stopped collecting at this point, so I don't think I have any 98 Topps, and I really can't think about what they look like off my head. Quentin McCracken. He was a Rocky. Looks like they're all gold. A little sticky, but nothing that's damaging the card. There we go. Steve Finley, TJ Matthews, Al Martin. These are like, they're not sticking, but they sure and heck are attracted to each other. Renato, Darren Oliver, Quentin McCracken. No one really big. Salmon probably being the biggest card in that set. None of that set, but I pulled. A nice cooler day. My birthday's coming up, and my oldest son's birthday's in the same month. So we got a joint birthday gift. There's that opening. That card gets kind of jacked up. Anyway, our joint present, sorry. Yeah, I'll put that up today. Looks like we have a white. Mr. Gatterall, Justin Smoke. Gatterall being a rookie. Mr. Cortez, Tommy Malone, Kevin Gankel, DJ Stewart, Freddie Galvis, Kyle Saga, and the white is the same as the one before it. I do not know that guy at all. It's not chrome though. Interesting. From Donruss. Let's see if we got a nice parallel of something. Only 2 rookies last time. Soto, Joey Bart, that's nice. Mike Trout, it's the purple. Clark Schmidt. Joey Bart already doing probably the best card in this set. I pulled out of this Boost Blaster box. I mix it up where it's all over the place. Kyle, this must be because I'm hungry. I'm eating yet. Tome, Jordan Alvarez, Giolito, another Trout, another Flattery. I haven't seen an auto come out of this yet. Trevor Story, Hader, Lance Lynn, Manny Machado Dominator, Tyler Stevenson. Or anything numbered. You got good numbered cards in the hobby box. We can get lucky enough to get a numbered here. Eloy, Abreu, Carter, Mookie Betts, Brendan Marquez purple. It's not bad. Roger Clemens, Nelson Cruz. Now the Devil Rays. 2 more packs. Chris Bryant of the Giants on the back. Cody Bellinger. I know Cody Bellinger is going to put it back together. Casey Mize. Doing a Admiral rookie year. Scary. Alright, Patrick Corbin, Pedro, another Mike Trout, Roger Clemens purple, Juan Soto, and Luis Patino. Now, Luis Patino got traded to the Devil Rays, I believe, which I think he's doing fairly good there. You have to let me know, but I think he is. Anyway, I think this was a better opening than last time. A lot more rookies. Cody Bellinger, Braylon Marquez, Stevenson, Manny Machado, Clark Schmidt, and the Joey Bart, the rookie. Nothing numbered, but better cards overall, I would say. Okay, let's move on to Stadium Club. Shipper on the back. Tatis in the front. Corey Kluber, who's been injured most of the season. Garcia, Chapman, Devin Williams is the auto. Not bad. Derek Jeter, not bad. Ender Bogart, Chipper Jones. Oh, I like the Devin Williams. Well deserved. Excuse me. Rookie of the year for NL. He is not as dominant as he was this year, but he is by no means a bad relief pitcher. I think the Brewers are doing quite well, mainly because of their pitching staff. Luis Garcia, Williams, Jeffries, Sherton, Apostle. I don't know. How do you say his name? Vlad Jr. That's a nice one. Tatis, that's a nice one too. The Vlad Jr. Home Run Challenge. I will have to actually do that one. See if I get lucky. Maybe my brother can figure it out. Gypsy Queen and my finest, and we will be done. Some time for my other meeting. I've got something to do after that. Aguilar, Bill Myers, Joey Votto, Jeff McNeil, Franco Sten, Springer, Tejada, and Nolan. No variations yet. Sure, I don't see anything here. I don't under quick glance, but we will, for sake of lack of time, we'll move forward with Topps Finest. Okay, Shohei Ohtani, Aaron Judge Legacy, Paul Goldschmidt Masters, Nolan Arenado, and our colors, or maybe just Justin Verlander. Okay, well, that's it for today. Y'all take care.